Dear students, welcome back to one more session. Today in this session I am going to explain you about different types of QT or else the classification of QT. If the question is explain the different types of QT or explain the classification of QT, the same answer it is. Now let us move into the concept directly. So if you have seen the different types of QT or classification of QT, the classification of QT is of three types basically. The first one is mathematical QT, second one is statistical QT, and the third one is programming QT. Now let us move into the concept of mathematical QT. We all know that if we are using the methods of mathematics, then such QT are known as mathematical QT. Here the subject is mathematics. And also if you have seen this QT, there will be the basics of mathematics. We all know the subject mathematics from our childhood, right? In your 10th standard, if MPC, you might have gone through the mathematics in intermediate, and if BSc, you might have gone through the mathematics. So those students who have the mathematical background can understand these concepts very easily. And now coming to the first one, permutations. Actually this concept is relevant to the intermediate mathematics. Second one is matrix. Either you can call it as matrices. In Telugu it is termed to be matrikalu. So if you have seen this concept, it comes in the 10th standard syllabus. Third one is differentiation. These are also known as derivatives. And fourth one is integrations. Differentiation and integrations comes to the first year intermediate. And fifth, determinants, sixth, vectors. So these are all the common chapters that you might have gone through in the mathematics. Coming to the statistical part, here we will be having the statistical procedures. I have listed few of them. The first one is collection of data. Second one, index numbers. Third, time series. These all come under the 10th standard of your mathematics. Statistics will be a part of mathematics below the secondary school, and we all know probability. Fifth one is mean, mode, and median. These are all the measure of central tendency. So 10th class statistics, it will be consisting of mean, mode, median, or else many more, whatever it comes. So coming to programming QT. Here programming QT, it is completely separate. It is neither mathematics nor statistical. It's separate from mathematics as well as statistics. It's separate. Programming, it is separate. So if you have seen the programming quantitative techniques, the first one is linear programming, second one assignments, third game theory, fourth decision theory, and five simulations, and sixth one inventory control theory. In the inventory control also we have many more varieties of technique. Among all of them, FIFO, LIFO, and WAC are the most popular. What does it mean by FIFO? FIFO stands for first in, first out. LIFO stands for last in, first out. And WAC, it stands for weighted average cost. So before a few days you might have written the examination of ME, Managerial Economics. In that there was the case study for 10 marks, which is based on this concept of inventory control, FIFO, LIFO, and WAC concepts. So these are all the types of quantitative techniques.